On Sunday, the 4th of August, the Israeli Ministry of Defense completed field tests with an armored vehicle part of the Carmel tank program launched 3 years ago under the acronym MAFAT. The future vehicle will be equipped with artificial intelligence, autonomous and automatic capabilities. It will be operated by only 2 soldiers. The project is led by 3 Israeli companies. Rafael has demonstrated a panoramic view system of the crew, offering 360-degree situational awareness outside the vehicle. Israel Aerospace Industries has presented a platform which combines a panoramic display, individual control systems, and a control stick similar to the Xbox gaming console's joystick. And Elbit Systems has demonstrated a new type of helmet, using the Iron Vision helmet-mounted display technology based on the F-35 fighter aircraft. Helmet allowing the crew to see outside the vehicle and operate the vehicle under closed hatches.